training session on Waltz. In this training session, we're going to focus on application groups. Application groups are used to bring together a specified subset of applications that you want to look at within your organization. So instead of maybe using one of the enterprise-wide taxonomies, what we can do here is we can create a number of applications that you're interested in for maybe your project or program, or that are of particular interest to you. You can search these publicly available application groups by using the search. You'll see just here you have application groups. So when you search, you will see this just here. Alternatively, you can look in your application groups just here. Okay, so to create a new application group, you click just here on Create New Group. We can then see we have the name and the description. So for this example, we call this test grouping MG, and here I can put a description. Okay, and importantly, we have here a private group or a public group. By private, what this means is you can share this application group with others. However, it will not appear in the search results, or you can include it with public, which means everyone can see this grouping. So when you've added the name and the description, click on Update, and this will save this here. You can see just here, group details updated. Here you can add in your associated change initiatives if you just want to look at your projects or programs, or you can add in your applications in group. This can be done by using the single editor, a bulk editor, or the recently viewed. So just for simplicity, I'll search for Wolverine, add the application, and I can see here, I can see the same different applications in the same org unit. I can see the downstream apps that are associated to this application, and also the upstream. So let's just add a couple for the demonstration. So now we've got an application group with these 4 applications. If I want to add a bulk editor, what I would do is I would add the asset code in here and either comma separate or use a semicolon or pipe to bring these in. This can be very useful if you're copying and pasting from Excel or from a CSV, and then you will just click on search. This will add all your applications to the application group. So when you've completed that, you click back on your home page and scroll back down to your application groups, and you'll see here we have test grouping MG that I just created to support the training video effort. Again, we can click on the group, and now what we see is we see the applications by the investment status, life cycle, and the logical flows, and you will see all of the information as you would expect per this normal view. If you want to edit the group, you click just here on edit, and again you can make an addition, you can remove the applications, or you can add additional ones. And you'll also see the group users. If you want to share this group with somebody, whether that is public or private, or you want to add somebody else as an admin, what you need to do is you need to send the user the application group name and the URL from Waltz. So when you send the URL, ask them to subscribe to the application group. When they subscribe to the application group, you will be able to look at the application group that you own, scroll to the bottom. Within group users, you will see another name of the other member of staff that has a requested access. You will then have the option to essentially make that person a co-owner. This will enable them to add applications, remove applications, and change initiatives. Okay. And again, application groups that you've created will be sitting just here, and you can also share those. I hope that's been useful.